has ended this week on a high. The Nifty managed to close above 7,600. The Sensex, that surged by 275 points. It has ended just a tad below 25,000, went home at 24,952. The Nifty mid-cap ended 1% higher, while the small caps failed to ride the momentum, rising only 30 points. Mangalam Malu joining us to wrap up today's market action. Mangalam, thank God it's Friday. It's been a pretty good Friday for Dalal Street. And next week, there are a lot of holidays. It's going to be a truncated trading week.
Indeed, it's been a good Friday for Dalal Street because until yesterday, the Nifty was actually flat for the week. And today, from the bulls' perspective, it was indeed a good day of trade because there was a last hour comeback by the bulls. Remember, the Nifty was playing a bit of a tug-of-war in the middle of the trading session at 75.50 for an extended period. Eventually, the bulls emerged stronger and the Nifty finally broke out of the level which it was aiming at for the last 8 to 9 trading sessions itself. And finally, not just that, it reclaimed the 7,600 mark, and this rally today was led by commodities, banks as well as IT heavyweights. So if we look at the key movers in today's trading session, Vedanta ended as the highest gainer on the Nifty with a 7% uptick, and followed by Hindalco, which also gained 5%. But if you look at stocks like Infosys and TCS, both of them are really heavyweights on the index. The Nifty ended 90 points higher, and 30 points, or a third of today's gains, were courtesy Infosys as well as TCS. However, no such respite for Pharma. Lupin ends the biggest loser on the Nifty. In fact, the biggest contributor to Nifty's downside in today's trading session, down about 18% in this week itself. Following that was Sun Pharma as well as Aurobindo Pharma. But mid-cap pharma individual pockets did really well. Ipca Labs moved from the low point of the day, and Torrent Pharma also gained about 5%, aided by a Credit Suisse upgrade as well as an EIR received from the US FDA for their new plant. However, cement stocks cemented this week with good gains continuing for Ambuja Cement, which gained about 6% yesterday. ACC also gained 5%, and so did Ultratech Cement, which ended closer to the high point of the day. Talking about Ultratech Cement, a lot of the Birla Group cement companies started surging in today's trading session, led by Mangalam Cement, Century Textiles, which has a big cement division, as well as Kesoram Industries. However, what lost in today's trading session were the OMCs, IOC, BPCL and HBCL, which gained in yesterday's trading session, saw the crude prices finally catching up, and that is why we saw some losses coming in for OMCs today.
Section clipping. Right, thanks, Mangalam, for joining us with that.